Try po natin to, mga ka-province. Wala po tayong mic. Try lang po ito, hindi po natin kasi ito alam. Viral po ito ngayon, trending po ito ngayon.
Two old friends met again, putting all the spaces, talk about the places they've been.
Hindi ko masyadong alam to.
Two old sweethearts will feel apart somewhere all along ago. How are they to know? Someday we'll meet again. I don't need more than reminiscences, baby.